Hello everyone, I'm Janice. I'm a certified hypnotherapist. Today I would like to share with you 3 simple tips to let go and calm down your monkey mind so that you can live a happy and stress-free life. What is monkey mind? Monkey mind is our thought. Every day we have a lot of different thoughts that make us worry about future, worry about our financial, to the extent that we cannot sleep. Okay, the first tip I want to share with you is deep breathing. How to do deep breathing? Breathe in to your nose and breathe out to your mouth. Okay, I'll show you. Just do 3 to 5 times in the morning and 3 to 5 times in the evening. So the second tip is meditation. Meditation is to relax your mind. Every day, spend 10 minutes. Close your eyes. Relax, focus on your breathing, no handphone, no TV, just give yourself 10 minutes, me time. Okay, the third one is positive thinking. I know this is not easy, this is very challenging, even for me. So I would like to share with you a very simple way to have positive thinking. Whenever you have negative thought come to your mind, just tell yourself next. So I hope with these 3 simple tips, you can have a stress-free and happy life and calm down your monkey mind. Thank you. Hope you enjoy it. Bye.